Alright, Jeff, so I just finished up your chameleon here. Actually, this is my first chameleon I've done yet. I've done a few roosters, but they're not exactly the same as this. If I had to compare between the two, I would say that the maybe the chameleon is probably easier, a little bit easier to put together. I'm pretty much done with this. I was gonna put this zip tie through here to hold this battery cable up, and that was about it. I just got finished programming it all. It's all ready to go. I'm not going to be able to test fly it because two reasons. One, I don't have a battery that'll work for this, and the second reason is it's really shitty weather outside. So, but I will show you it arming, and I will show you the FPV working. I'll show you where to bind it and all that good stuff. So let's start with the FPV. So, and I'll show you arming, I guess. Might as well turn on the radio at the same time. Alright, so plugging in. Looks good. I'm going to turn on the monitor here. Oh, shit. Dang, that thing's really on the wall. That's some good Velcro. There you go. And now I'm going to arm it. All motors look good. No noise in the video. When I throttle up, it stays the same. So yeah, looking good there. I got auxiliary 1 is set up for arm, and auxiliary 2 flight modes. I only set up air mode though, because I turned off the accelerometer because I believe that you don't use self level, but I'm not 100% sure on that. This is a pretty sweet frame. I like it a lot. I like the design. I like the features. I like. Hold on a second. These motors are just sick, man. I've used them before on another build, and I just loved them. I'll make sure I wipe them down before I ship this back. But yeah, this literally came in the mail. Let's see, it's 6:50 right now. The mail came at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and I've been done with this for about 45 minutes or so. So it took me about 2 hours to put it together and get it good to go. Turned out pretty nice, I think. You got your Emax Magnum, not the Mini Magnum. I'm used to always saying the Mini Magnum. This is my first time actually using this stack, and I kind of like it. It was pretty easy to put together and get everything set up. I like how it came with the 3 pins for your receiver. It's basically made for like an XM Plus. I'm not sure if the XM Plus came with the stack. It was in the box, but I'm not sure if you opened it and put it in there or not, Jeff. But I think it might come with it. But it's got the 3 pins, so all you gotta do is just stick the receiver right down on it and then solder the 3 pins, you know, and you're done with the receiver. The VTX is mounted right beside it. You can see there. You change the channels right here with it, which is pretty convenient. The bind button is gonna be on this right side, right under here. So I was able to just take my tweezers and just stick it right under here and just push down. You'll hear it click. You just make sure you're in the right spot and just push down, and you'll hear the click, you know. And then, but before I do that, I have my hands like this, my other hand like this, you know, halfway plugged in, ready to go. So yeah, it was fairly easy for me to bind it, so it shouldn't be a problem for you. Man, those motors are so pretty. Nice antenna. Got the Axie. This looks like it's the Aero V3, which is an excellent camera. Fraybot motors. Chameleon frame. Looks good. pretty happy with it. So yeah, you see arms, no video noise, the FPV looks good. So this thing's ready to go. I'll be sending it back tomorrow, and I'll send you over some tracking in the morning. Alright, thanks Jeff.